Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. In today's video, we will start a new topic, Python while loops and or Python loops. So today we will discuss Python while loops. While is basically a function through which we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. So we can execute or call a statement if we have a condition. So let's see an example of a condition and understand it more. So we have a condition in which I is equal to 1. So we will use while loop while I is less than 6. So here is a condition while I is less than 6. So we will print, when we will print I, it will, in output, it will show all the numbers less than 6. So let's see, we will print this and let's see the output. So here we can see that the output has all the numbers less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how we can execute a statement. That's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.